In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make bid adjustments for age in Google Ads. Age bid adjustments are a powerful tool that can help you better target your audience and optimize your ad spend for the right demographics. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, tuning your settings for age groups can significantly enhance your campaign results. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Ads platform, open your preferred web browser, and head to the Google Ads homepage. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, this is where you'd create one, but for most of you, hitting the sign in button will be your next move. Enter your login credentials carefully and click through. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This is the central hub for all your campaigns, your data insights, and adjustments. From here, you're going to want to look for the Campaigns tab. It's usually located on the left side of the page. Clicking on this tab will show you all the campaigns you've created. If you're handling multiple campaigns, just select the one you wish to adjust. Once you've selected a campaign, direct your attention to the options along the top bar and click on Audiences, Keywords, and Content. This is your gateway to tweaking your audience strategy and making those crucial bid adjustments. Now, under Audiences, Keywords, and Content, you'll find the Audiences section, which is quite straightforward. Click on Audiences and get ready to zoom into more specific targeting options. In the Audiences section, focus on the Age category. This is where the magic happens. By clicking on age, you will see various age brackets such as 18, 24, 25, 34, 35, 44, and so on, down to 65 and older. Now, it's time to align these choices with your marketing strategy. Consider your product or service and its most likely customers. This understanding will guide your bid adjustments. Here comes the most crucial step, actually setting the bid adjustments. You can increase or decrease bids for different age groups based on their performance and relevance to your product. For instance, if you notice that a younger demographic is responding more positively, you might want to increase your bid for that age group. Conversely, if older age groups are less responsive, consider decreasing your bid for those. And there you have it, a straightforward method to empower your campaigns with strategic age-based bid adjustments in Google Ads. Make sure to monitor the performance of these adjustments over time and tweak them as you gather more data. This adaptability is key to staying ahead in the ever-evolving digital advertising landscape. Good luck with your campaigns, and take full advantage of your newfound insights to reach your audience more effectively.